What's up, guys? Are you ready to discover the secret weapon for boosting your credit score? 45 million people in the US have no credit history or low credit and need to build up their scores quickly, which can be hard to do. In today's video, we're diving into the exhilarating world of credit builder loans and how they can unlock the doors to your financial dreams. Now, we all know that credit plays a crucial role in our lives, whether it be to buy a home, getting that dream car, or unlocking exclusive rewards. But what if I told you there was a powerful tool that can supercharge your credit score and pave the way to financial success? Well, say hello to credit builder loans. Credit builder loans are not like traditional loans. In fact, they're technically a reverse loan, meaning that you actually make payments into a savings account over the course of a year or more, and then receive those funds at the end while building credit in the process. Credit builder loans are like the superhero sidekick you never knew you needed. They're designed to skyrocket your credit score and open doors to a world of financial opportunities. From boosting your chances of loan approvals to unlocking premium reward cards, credit builder loans are your ticket to financial freedom. Imagine this. You're walking into a car dealership armed with a stellar credit report that impresses the lenders. Negotiating powers? Check. Low interest rates? Check. That's the kind of financial muscle a credit builder loan can help you build. But it doesn't stop there. Now picture yourself stepping into a dream home, keys in hand, knowing that your credit journey led you straight to this moment. With a strong credit score, you become the master of your financial destiny. Now you may be wondering, where can you find these incredible credit builder loans, right? But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll uncover 4 top-notch credit builder loan programs that can help ignite your credit scores and help you achieve your dreams. Now get ready to meet the Cheese Credit Builder, Fig Loans, CreditUp, and MoneyLion. So buckle up and get ready for an epic journey through the world of credit builder loans. It's time to unleash your financial potential and discover the true value of using credit builder loans to transform your credit score and unlock a world of opportunities. Now, the reason why I say this is because credit builder loans are essentially much better than secured credit cards, simply because there's no upfront deposits required to begin building credit. Additionally, if you already have revolving accounts like credit cards or lines of credit, opening an installment loan helps boost your scores by adding a good credit mix to your credit profile. To give you guys the best overview, I'm going to teach you about 2 different types of credit builder loans because they often come across as a little cookie cutter but have big differences that are easily overlooked or misunderstood. Let's dive right in and discover the game-changing power of credit builder loans. Now hit that subscribe button to join La Familia. As always, remember to like this video and leave your questions or comments below. First up, we've got an exciting new service called Cheese. Now Cheese allows you to build credit on autopilot. Cheese Credit Builder is a bank-insured installment loan to build your credit worry-free. Now, why would I say worry-free? Well, let's be honest, guys. People with bad credit tend to have bad payment habits. Therefore, Cheese will automatically draft payments from your checking account in hopes to eliminate any unnecessary missed payments that kill your credit scores. Instead, Cheese Credit Builder Loan will help you build credit by having you choose a plan that allows you to make a minimum of 12 consecutive on-time payments while saving money at the same time. Now remember, 35% of your FICO score is based on your payment history. So it's incredibly important to show lenders they can rely on you to make monthly payments on time. Actions speak louder than words, right? So credit is going to help you prove that you got what it takes to get approved for a traditional loan in the future while saving money in 3 easy steps. The first step is simply by applying for the Cheese Credit Builder program. There's no credit check, no admin fee, and you can easily get started in as little as 3 minutos. or minutes. I'm not sure if I'm good at speaking Spanish, but you can just erase that part. Now, as you can see here, there are several credit builder plans to choose from, ranging anywhere from $500 a month to $2,000, with monthly payments as low as $44.42 for 12 months, all the way up to $94.14 per month for a 24-month plan. However, the most popular plan is the $1,000 credit builder loan at $47 per month for just 24 months. As your loan matures, you will be able to access the money you paid minus the interest fee. And as you can see here, I'll show you a chart with the average APRs. Now, Cheese will automatically transfer your savings back into the account that you connected. APRs do vary from state to state, and they go anywhere from 5% to 16%. To give you an example, if you were to choose a 24-month loan term at $24 per month, at the end of the term, you would have paid a total of $576. Based on California's APR of 12%, you would get back $500. In this example, it would have only costed you $76 to build 2 years worth of positive payment history, because that $500 is right back in your wallet, which is an insane value when you think about it. You'll be able to check your local APR rate on their website if you're curious. And again, I'll go ahead and put up the chart so you can take a look. It's important to note, if at any time you're having a hard time making the payments, you can easily close your credit builder loan by contacting Cheese, and then they'll just simply report your account as closed in good standing. The reason I think Cheese is better than a lot of these similar credit builder programs out there is that Cheese is a very straightforward and easy to use product, and there's no credit check and no redundant fees. Not only are there no membership fees, but they only charge you a fixed low APR, and you begin building payment history on day one when you make your first payment, as each and every single payment moving forward will also be reported to all three of the credit bureaus, which is Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. The Cheese Credit Builder program is accessible in 44 states, excluding Alabama, Indiana, Kentucky, Puerto Rico, Vermont, Virginia, Washington, and Wisconsin. Not to worry, if you live in either of those states, I have other options for you that will be mentioned shortly. If you would like to get started with Cheese, click the link down in the description below to sign up and get your Cheese Credit Builder account. Next up, we've got Fig Loans. Fig Loans is a financial institution based out of Texas that also offers credit builder savings accounts, sort of similar to Cheese, as well as traditional loans. Both options will help you build credit. The traditional loans that figloans.com offers are very small personal loans to essentially help you get by if you ever find yourself short on cash. Fig Loans will lend you up to $500 with short payment terms, similar to a payday loan, but with a much better repayment timeline, and most importantly, a fair price with no balloon payments. Unlike a credit builder loan, you would actually receive money up front and have to pay it back based on your state's APR percentage. However, like other credit builder loans, each of your monthly payments are reported to the credit bureaus, thus helping you improve credit. Now, this loan product is only available in 7 states, which is California, Florida, Utah, Ohio, Missouri, Texas, and Illinois. But as you can see on their website, Fig Loans is a trusted financial institution that has been featured in the New York Times and Newsweek, among other reputable publications, and boasts an impressive 4.8 out of 5-star rating on Trustpilot, with over 5,400 verified reviews, as well as another 1,700 on Google. Now, I do want to stress the fact that this type of loan is more expensive than doing credit builder loans that are set up like a CD, which is a certificate of deposit, the type of credit builder loan that we all grew up on, right? But again, Fig Loan provides a credit builder alternative to payday loans. So this is only for people who are in dire need of quick cash to get by. An advance of money obtained through a payday loan or an auto loan is not intended to meet long-term financial needs. A payday loan or an auto title loan should only be used to meet immediate short-term cash needs. Otherwise, to be honest, guys, again, I would just recommend sticking with like Cheese Credit or the next credit builder loan program on this list, which is MoneyLion. Now, what's unique about the MoneyLion credit builder loan is they actually give you funds today while helping you save and build at the same time like the others, but MoneyLion actually gives you a portion of your loan funds right away and access to 0% APR cash advances. They offer credit builder loans of up to $1,000 with no hard credit check. Simply pay off your reverse loan over the course of 12 months to build your credit. Just like the other credit builder loans, it's all about boosting your credit scores by building positive payment history, which is why they also report those payments to all three of the credit bureaus monthly. Like Cheese Credit, MoneyLion also has an app that you can download on your phone to casually monitor your credit and track the progress you're making along the way. Their app can also be found touting an extremely impressive 4.7 out of 5 star rating in the Apple and Google Play Store with over 100,000 ratings, so check them out as well. Now, MoneyLion has a variety of products and services, but for the sake of this video, we'll just stick to what's related to their credit builder program. Now, as mentioned earlier, with MoneyLion, you get access to their InstaCash feature, which allows you to get cash advances anytime of up to $500 with no interest. See, MoneyLion understands that although you're in the process of building credit, things happen and you may need to tap into some of that cash that you've been putting away, whether it be for groceries, to fill up your gas tank on the way to work, or more importantly, to pay a bill that came up to avoid any late fees. The best part is it's pretty easy to use. Once you're qualified, you can get cash in a matter of minutes. Simply download the MoneyLion app and tap InstaCash. Keep in mind, you will need to link a checking account to qualify for the 0% APR cash advances with no credit check. Second step is to tap Request. When you use InstaCash, the amount that you receive is automatically deducted from your account on the due date as determined by your pay or other recurring deposit cycle, usually in about 2 weeks, again with no interest. The third step is simply select the amount that you want and choose either free standard delivery or pay a small fee to get your funds almost immediately with the turbo delivery. So you may be wondering, okay, if I just started, like how much InstaCash will you get access to right away? Well, in the beginning, you'll unlock $10 or more, right? But if they detect recurring deposits in your linked external account, you'll get to unlock at least $50 and up to $500. Please note, it can take about 3 to 8 weeks to become eligible for the maximum amount of InstaCash. Any kind of income or recurring deposits, including government benefits, can help you qualify. The higher and more consistent your deposits, the higher the InstaCash you can unlock. Lastly, we have the CreditUp program by 5 Star Bank. 5 Star Bank, which is a full-service community bank based in Colorado and a member of the FDIC, not to be confused with the 5 Star Bank spelled F-I-V-E. This is 5 Star Bank spelled with the number 5, and let me take you straight to the website so there's no confusion. They're known for providing great personal and business banking services for many years, and they also have an A+ BBB rating. Their credit builder program called CreditUp has no fees, lower interest rates, and is banked in the USA. You just follow the easy online application process, pick your plan, and begin building your credit. Now, what makes CreditUp unique is they actually let you choose any loan amount that you would like, starting from $500 up to $1,200, with terms ranging from 12 to 18 to 24 months at a low interest rate with, again, 0 admin fees. Funds from your loan will be placed in a savings account in your name. Once your loan is paid in full, you can decide to either keep the funds in your savings account or request to close your savings account and have the funds sent straight to you. One of the best things about the CreditUp program is, unlike other credit builders that we've mentioned thus far, It's actually available in all 50 states and its U.S. territories. The only requirement to apply is you must be a permanent U.S. resident or a U.S. citizen with a physical address in the United States, at least 18 years of age or older, and have a valid social security number. And you must be able to submit acceptable forms of ID, including a state-issued driver's license, state-issued ID, or a U.S. passport. Simple enough, right? So let's do a quick recap. Today we covered 4 great resources to help you build credit, and of those resources, there's 2 different types of credit builder loans. Now first, you've got the traditional loans where you borrow money from the bank, then pay interest on the money you've borrowed while getting all of your money up front, right? And with bad credit, these loans will cost you with high APRs, which is why I personally recommend getting a reverse loan, aka credit builder loans, or what some people may call a credit builder savings account, which allows you to simply boost your scores by making monthly payments into a third-party savings account that you'll be able to tap into at the end of your term. And guys, remember, if you already have, let's say, open student loans, auto loans, or mortgage loans on your credit report, there's really no need to sign up for a credit builder loan, as you likely already have enough built-in credit. In that case, the only way to improve your credit is to get rid of derogatory items like collections, charge-offs, and late payments. If you need assistance with that, we would certainly love to help you out at my company, which is Greenscale Credit. All you got to do is schedule a free credit consultation at our website, which is greenscalecredit.com, or you'll easily find the link down below in the description. Go ahead and schedule an appointment based on your availability, and we look forward to helping you out, whether it be to get approved for that home loan, get a new car, get low interest credit cards, you name it, or just to get a fresh start. Because again, we understand that at the end of the day, bad things happen to good people. But the good news, my friends, is bad credit is temporary. So let us help you out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Again, if you haven't already subscribed, do that now. Change the color on the like button while you're at it, and enjoy the rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening, whatever time of the day it is. And as always, thanks for watching.